Today we're going to be discussing two-step inequalities. Very similar to two-step equations. The only difference with this one is the sign. And I'm going to be using an inequality sign as opposed to an equal sign. So, just like with my equations, I'm going to start with my constant. So I have minus 5. I'm going to do the inverse operation, which is addition. So I'm going to add 5 on both sides. That's going to have my 5's cancel, and I'm going to be left with 3x is greater than or equal to 19 plus 5, which is 24. Now, I have my one step left. I'm multiplying by 3 right now. I'm going to divide by 3. Do that on both sides. I get x is greater than or equal to 8. Alright, so I now want to check, see if which way my arrow is going to go. So let's check. I have 4 is greater than or equal to 8. Is that statement true? No. Okay, well, what about 10 is greater than or equal to 8? Yes. Alright, I have an idea of which way my line's going. I'm going to do one more. Let's do 14 is greater than or equal to 8. Does that one work? Yes, that one works. So I'm going to go ahead and plot my whole filled in circle because I have that extra line. And I'm going to go ahead and plot my line getting larger. So let's take a look at one more inequality. Let's take a look at this inequality. I have 24 is greater than or equal to 8 minus 4x. So again, I'm going to start with my constant here. And that's a positive 8. So I'm going to do the inverse of the positive sign, which is the minus sign or negative. So I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. So I do 24 minus 8, which gives me 16, is greater than or equal to negative 4x, because my 8's will cancel on the side with my variable. So now I have a one-step inequality left. So I have 16 is greater than or equal to negative 4x. I'm going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. This is going to allow me now to do that division. My negative 4's will cancel. So I have 16 divided by negative 4, which gives me negative 4 is less than or equal to. Sorry about that. Fix that real quick. It's less than or equal to because I am dividing by a negative. Whenever I'm dividing or multiplying by a negative, I have to flip my sign. So now my final dividend is going to be negative 4 is less than or equal to x. So now I want to test out some answers. Let's see. Is negative 2. So let's do negative 2. I have negative 4 is less than or equal to negative 2. Is that right? Yeah, that one's right. Okay, so I have a little bit of an idea, but I want to check one more number to make sure my line is going in the right place. So if I have negative 4 is less than or equal to positive 4, is that right? Yep, that's right. I know which way my line is going. So I also have that extra line, so it's going to have that extra filling. So it's going to be a closed circle with my line going to the right as my numbers get larger. So that's a couple examples of two-step inequalities. And don't forget, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your teacher.